Hello everybody and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com again. So I'm going over my Samsung TV and it is very difficult to find the TV guide. Now let me tell you, some of these TVs do not have a tuner in them. If they don't have a tuner, they won't have a TV guide. But if they have a tuner, the Samsungs have a very good guide. But there's no guide button on the remote. Right here where it says sleep on some of the remotes is where it says guide. So to get to your TV guide on your Samsung TV, you're going to push the home button. This is the second video I did on this, and I showed you a different way to do it before. But right today I'm showing you another way. So hit the home button on your remote, and then you hit the up arrow. It will go to guide. Then you hit the button in the middle there, that square button, and it will take you to the TV guide. And that will show you all the programs that are playing on your TV at the time. Now when you scroll up and down, it's going to show you different things. So let's get away from that one. And now you can see, now this is with an antenna connected to the TV. So you can see the ION channel, Cubo for kids, Shop, QVC, but you have Bounce, you have Escape, you have Quest, you have Get TV, you have channel 35, which is WLOF Fox, WOFL Fox. Let's just keep going. 27, RDQ is a good channel. 27.2 is antenna. 27.4 is Grit TV. It has a lot of westerns and stuff like that. And Comet TV and Charger TV. It has a lot of older TV shows. Create, Kids. The UCF channel is great, 24.1. It has some Spanish channels. The Laugh channel has all the old shows like Drew Carey, Third Rock, 70 Show, a lot of good stuff. And then you have like channel 6 is a local channel, and then channel 2 is Wish and Me TV. So that's how you get to the program guide. And if you want to get out of the program guide, you just go right here where it says Escape, click the Escape button, it'll take you back to there, click the Escape button again, it'll take you back to your main channel. And you can click any number here and go to any channel that you have programmed in after you scan for your channels. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. I hope this video was helpful to you about finding your program guide on your Samsung TV. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day.